Yo, what it do, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Tones Reaction. And we're gonna react to this video today, man. It says they're cooking, deep frying 500 rats in spicy sauce. And whoever homeland this person is, man, I figure we switch it up, you know what I mean? Try to do something different today, you feel me, man? But we gonna get straight into it. But before we do, please do me a favor, man. You need to hit that notification bell so when I put these videos out, your ass will be notified. And the second thing I need you to do for me is make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Put me in that algorithm, ho. Oh, look at them rats. They naked rats. Yo. What the that's a rat. That's a nice color, fried up like that. They frying the shit out that rat. Yeah. Share my stuff to y'all friends, man. All this, yeah. Look at these niggas. How they got all them rats? How they catch them? Hey, yo. They picking them up with their hand. Oh my God, yo, yeah, shit nasty. Look at this. Oh yeah, this definitely gonna be the thumbnail right here, y'all. Yeah, look at it though. They skinning them niggas. They got them all tied up by their tails. Yeah. Why eat this though? That's all I'm saying. It's hella other animals out there. I just think rodents is probably like the dirtiest shit to eat, man. Why eat this shit? I mean, I guess that's normal in their culture, man. That's what they say they like to eat. It's an all-you-can-eat rat buffet. A lot of rats. They eat the rice. They eat the rice. You can't eat these rats. If they ever make a deep fried rat. Everybody sound happy as shit they about to eat them too. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. See, look, I live in Baltimore for real. And them rats is big, but it's, man, the rats out here big as a whore. I ain't gonna lie to you. Rats out here look like dogs. Big dogs out here, yo. Look like little puppies, I'm telling you. They baby rats compared to rats out here. They just mice. We call them mice. Nah, I don't know. Them niggas rats. Yeah, you right. Ew. They chopping the feet off. Look at this shit. They got the feet, rat feet flying everywhere. They chopping the feet off. Yo, what, the feet ain't got no protein in it or something? Like, what's going on? They chopping the niggas' feet off, yo. Feet. I don't know if I said that right. Feet. All the feet, what they gonna do? They gonna save the feet. Look at the feet. I never seen a rat foot. Motherfucker, them things look nasty. Oh, they really skinning them niggas. Look at them. Hey, yo. Hopefully some of y'all still watching this video, man. I'm too far ahead now. I'm gonna watch it. Look at yo, skinning the shit out them rats. Look like little dugs, man. First of all, there's some hard-working people. I'm not even cooking 500 pieces of chicken, let alone 500 rats. Why they keep showing the close-up to him like that? We see him? Shit. What is that? What's that, rat broth? What I say? Cause if that's the water looks dirty already. Oh, they letting that shit soak. That's probably like some vinegar and some salt or something. I don't know. Now they cutting the niggas wide open. They're making it look like chicken thighs. Yo, what's them black? That's the liver? They gonna snatch them out too. I ain't gonna cut the tails off. See yo, see. This is why random shit keep popping up over here. I ain't gonna get into that because I don't want to get. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. Yo. Look at the tail, yo. They got their grandmothers helping them, their daughters. Why you ain't cook them? What is they? Is that a horse, cow? You cooking rats, cook them niggas. That's backwards. Family, the whole generation out there. Look, moms, daughter, grandmoms, cooking rats. Salt. They salt them niggas up there. It's a little bit of seasoning. That's a lot of rats. You need more than that. All right, that should be enough. All right, that's enough. Sugar? Sugar? A salty sweet rat. Wait, yo, this is, yo. Y'all still here with me, y'all? Comment down below if you still here with me. I'm surprised I'm still watching this too. I ain't gonna lie to you. But we there. We here now. Ew, all that rat salmonella on your face, splashing. Hey yo. Damn. Y'all stuck together and shit. Middle of the field.
Look
Yo.
at
them. They frying these niggas organically out in the woods. Made a fire. They putting it in. Started another fire. How they do that? They got lighters. Damn, they ain't putting Crisco in there. They about to fry them motherfuckers up. Damn, they frying like a motherfucker. Y'all know, you know it's frying when you hear that. They ain't put no flour on the rats. They probably don't eat no carbs or nothing. You know, y'all, you know, people on them keto diets, they don't put flour on nothing. Y'all on the keto diet? Somebody look yummy. Ain't even finished cooking yet. How it look yummy? That look like, ew. Oh my, that ain't right. Look at the tail. What the fuck? Yo. There ain't even no meat on there. The color do look kind of crazy though, I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, look at this. Look at that. Is y'all eating that? Nigga put that on y'all plate. Y'all eating that? It's a nice color. They know how to fry some rat. I ain't gonna lie to you. But could y'all eat that? Comment down below if you'll try some fried rat. Ain't no meat. You got the skeleton. You just fried the skeleton of a rat. Please add more rats. Wow.
Who's gonna beat up that bear that's coming at us?
Hold my fruit bowl. Joel, hold my fruit bowl.
Whether you're breaking a sweat or breaking down barriers, Cliff Bar is the ultimate energy bar, purposefully crafted with a blend of protein, fat, and carbs. Because the more good you put in, the more great you get out.
That's crazy, yeah. Cooking is not quick, especially when it's 500. They about to have a feast. I didn't cut the tails off though. Trying to tell you, they got them tails. That must be some good nutrients in there or something. Damn. Like you gotta eat a few of them rats to get full. That shit looks nasty. I ain't gonna lie to you. What is that? Fishes and shit? tadpoles, and then with the cub. Oh, they about to. Oh, well, at least they about to season them niggas up. Garlic, look at that. Chili, chows, chilies. Did I say it right? I don't know. What's that? Key limes, pepper. Oh, they about to make these rats taste good as a motherfucker. All dramatic. Why they keep adding sugar in the shit? I thought that was a lime. Yeah, that shit don't. I don't know what that is. It don't look appealing to me. It's supposed to turn saucy. I don't get it. They keep showing shit in slow motion. Like that shit don't make it look no better. They about to smash. Look at them. Happy as shit. Nah, yo. Nah, that don't look right to me. I ain't gonna lie to you. They got some rice with it. The rice do set everything off, though. It's all tough. It look tough too. I thought y'all had some sauce. Look at it. They dipping it in whatever that is. Y'all is not gonna be able to eat all that. You're gonna have to wrap that up and put it in the refrigerator, man. Yeah, y'all got enough to take that shit to work with y'all tomorrow. Ain't no way y'all eating all them rats. Take it to work. You know how he is. You ain't cooking nothing else till all these rats is gone. I know how black people be, man. Mom, I'm hungry. It's rats in the refrigerator. Go warm it up. That shit is not that good. Calm down. Act like he ain't never eat a rat before. Bye. Bye. Enjoy your rest. Bye-bye. Yeah, man. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all made it through it for real, man. If you did, man, make sure y'all hit that notification bell, man, so when I put these videos out, your ass is notified. And do me one other big favor, man. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Put me in the algorithm, hope.